does not change the probability of another one. So if I were to flip a coin and roll a die, the coin flip would have no impact on the die roll or whatever I get on the die. So those would be independent events. There's a multiplication rule for events where you just multiply the outcomes together. We'll talk about that. You've got the general multiplication rule. We'll apply that on example 2, and then the conditional probability. We're going to apply that later on in the hour. So suppose you're going to throw 2 fair die. What's probably getting a 5 on each die? So 2 fair die. These are called 2 independent events because the roll of one die does not impact the roll of another die. So what I do is I'll make 2 blanks. And I'll ask myself, on this first outcome, I'm wanting to know the probability of getting a 5. What's the probability of getting a 5 on this? Probability of getting a 5. So there's 5 is one outcome out of 6 possible outcomes to be 1/6. Okay? Now, what's probably getting a 5 on the second die? Well, it's still going to be the same. It's a fair die. 1, 5 out of 6 total outcomes. Okay? So the question is, these are 2 independent events. How do you do the probability for 2 independent events? You multiply them. So this is the multiplication rule. The probability of event A, probability of getting a 5 times probability of getting a 5 gives you your answer. So 1/6 times 1/6 is 1/36. Multiply 1 times 1 is 1. 6 times 6 is 36. So that would be your answer.